Scott and I are back to the grind today, and we are on a design install together, and all of these boxes are about to get undone and put into this client living room. This client loves sea life, and you will get to see all the beautiful accessories that they've already provided. I love being able to recycle things that clients already have and love, and I love to bring new where it's needed. So let me show you some of the fun stuff I found at Home Goods. Texture is so important. Love this little lantern, and because we have bookshelves, you need large scale items as well as small, and the client provided a lot of little things. So I tried to find bigger objects. Greenery is always something that brings life, even when it's faux. Blankets, super important. We've got cozy ones and linen ones for those people that don't want something heavy. Picture frames, lots of picture frames. And again, adding that element of a little shiny in a space that's a little dark. One of design install complete. Free Spirit Designs did the built-in and the stone fireplace. Dad built this gorgeous custom mantle, another built-in. And we hung draperies, recycled the client's couches, put a new rug in, and this gorgeous table. The side tables and lamps are new.